basically I just move over here if I want to go forward, and I can move forward. Collecting points and fuel. Not really sure why I collect fuel if it's a BMX bicycle. As you can see, it's kind of clunky around with the mouse. For some reason, the animations take a long time too. It's not very smooth. And there's a good jump right there. Trying to get as much speed as I possibly can here. So I guess I wanted to collect as much points and fuel there at the beginning, and I guess that's the track right there. We can click on Track Editor. Let's just take a look at what that looks like. Looks like these are all the things that we can put down on the track. Not really sure what they all do. If we click on them, maybe they'll tell us. It does not tell us what all of these things do. Okay, so we can move around our track. Looks like we can just, let's take this magnet. I guess if I click there, it puts the magnet in. Let's see what this does. Okay, so here we can name the course. Looks like I could create a whole new one. I'm going to click OK. There we go. So as you can see, change the location up and down on the mouse, speed, forward and back, change bike tilt with up and down button. I guess I could have done that. I didn't really see what that would do for me. And that's basically it. That's the BMX racing game. Hope you enjoyed.